A for apple. B for balloon. C for cat. D for duck. E for eye. F for flower. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for keys. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for ring. S for snake. T for tree. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yard. Z for zebra.